Hello, in this video we will be finding exact value of cotangent of pi out of 3. Anytime you see exact value, it will be asking about special angles of 30, 45, 60 degrees, or pi out of 6, pi out of 4, or pi out of 3 radians, or any of the angles that fall on the x and y axes. Finding the exact value of cotangent of pi out of 3 is exactly the same problem as finding the exact value of cotangent of 60 degrees. If you are not sure, you can always multiply pi out of 3 by 180 over pi. Pi's will cancel, and the third of 180 is 60 degrees. Cotangent is rarely memorized in a table, but we know that cotangent is reciprocal of tangent, so to find cotangent of 60 degrees, 1 and divided by tangent of 60 degrees. If you have memorized tangent of 60 degrees, you can proceed with substituting and simplifying to get the answer. However, if you don't really remember it, it's very easy to get from the reference table. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take square root, divide everything by 2. Sign goes from left to right. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Cosine goes from right to left. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Tangent of 60 degrees will be equal to sine of 60 divided by cosine of 60. So we get that tangent of 60 degrees is equal to, the reference for sine of 60 degrees is on top of 3, so sine of 60 will be square root of 3 out of 2 divided by, the reference for cosine of 60 is on top of 1, so cosine of 60 is equal to 1 out of 2. Let's simplify this. Tangent of 60 degrees will be equal to square root of 3 out of 2. We change division into multiplication and flip the second fraction, so we get 2 out of 1. 2 and 2 will cancel, and we get tangent of 60 degrees is equal to square root of 3. Since the answer for tangent of 60 is not a fraction, I'll do cotangent of 60 degrees as 1 divided by tangent, and in this case tangent of 60 degrees is square root of 3. We just need to rationalize this, so we need one more factor of radical 3 in denominator. Whatever we do to denominator, we do the same thing to numerator. And we get that cotangent of 60 degrees is equal to 1 times radical 3. We have radical 3 out of 2 factors of square root of 3 in denominator. So it's a square root of 3 to the second power. Square root and the second power cancel, so we get cotangent of 60 degrees is equal to radical 3 out of 3. If cotangent of 60 degrees is equal to radical 3 out of 3, so does cotangent of pi out of 3, since pi out of 3 is 60 degrees in radians. So cotangent of pi out of 3 is equal to square root of 3 out of 3 as well. And this will be our solution. That's all.